The Isle of Wight. Even though it's just a stone's throw from the mainland in England and Portsmouth, it feels like miles away from the UK. Why? It's just so quiet, especially the time that I've come in September, October time in autumn. I'm here on the island for a few days, so I'm going to do a little tour around and show you the best bits of what it has to offer. Now, probably the best place to start is Cowes. Now, although many believe it's the capital of the island, it isn't. Cowes is famed for, one, the ferry terminal to the mainland in Southampton, and two, Cowes Week. Cowes Week is probably the biggest sailing regatta of its kind in the world. Cowes Week is well worth a trip if you're a big sailing fan. There's also plenty of walking to be done on the Isle of Wight as well. For instance, there's a 70-mile coastal path circuit which goes all the way around the island. Plenty of white cliffs, plenty of beaches, and again, because there's no one really here at this time of year, you pretty much get the path to yourself. Now that 70 miles is, some of it is flat, some of it is undulating, some of it is along white cliff tops. So you could probably get it all done in a week. They even make their own gin. They even have cushions in their bus stops. Now, probably the main attraction on the Isle of Wight is, of course, the Needles, which are three very large stacks of chalk which rise up out of the sea. And there's even a helipad on the furthest one out to sea. It's not particularly busy at all. In fact, there's two other people behind me, whereas this would be absolutely rammed in summer. As you can see, it's not drone flying weather either, so I've borrowed some footage which I'll put in here to give you a closer look. So what else is there to do on the Isle of Wight? Well, you've got a steam railway. Got an alpaca farm. You can even do a muddy bull run on the island that happens every September. If you're looking for unique accommodation, you can even stay in one of these things in the middle of the Solent. There's horse riding. There's some vineyards on the island. You can go wine tasting. So there you have it. That's my vlog on the Isle of Wight. If you're looking for somewhere new to explore in the UK, then hop across the Solent and go and check it out. Loads of accommodation, loads of things to do for adventurers, solo travelers, for families, for absolutely everybody. Come and enjoy it. See you next time. Ciao.